Grandma's cough compress. It's a natural alternative to VapoRub ointment. You'll need flour, honey, coconut oil, and essential oil. Pour a tablespoon of flour into a bowl. Then add a tablespoon of honey, take a tablespoon of coconut oil, use a lighter to heat it until it becomes liquid. Add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint oil. Mix everything thoroughly. Take a piece of paper towel or tissue. Using a spoon, transfer the mixture onto it. Stick it in the middle of the chest. Coughing and breathing problems will disappear,